Hello student. Now we study about climax community and their succession in plants. So, what time does the climax community remain stable? The answer, that is climax community remains stable as long as environment remain unchanged. So which are the pioneers in aquatic habitat during primary succession? The small phytoplanktons, algae, these are pioneer in the aquatic habitat during primary succession. They are major producer in aquatic ecosystem. Explain Zayas succession in plants. So biotic succession proceed on rock dry areas. These are called as Zayas succession. So at the beginning, this is bare rock. Then lichens are pioneer species present on bare rocks. They secrete organic acid which dissolve rocks. They start weathering of rocks and soil formation. So soil formation is there due to weathering of rocks. Then the small annual plants, these are produced. Then perennial herbs, grasses, they grow in this area. The next stage, that is shrubs, shade intolerant trees, and finally the climax community which contain shade tolerant trees. It grow. So these are Zayas succession from bare rocks to climax community. Identify figure and secondary succession in forest ecosystem after fire. So this figure show sequence of stages from 1 to 8 in forest ecosystem after fire. It is example of secondary succession. So at the starting, the fire due to forest fire and severe forest fire, total nudation of forest land, all forest trees are destroyed. At the starting, there is beginning of small plants, then small shrubs are developed, and finally the climax community, that is forest, is developed. So this succession is fast and climax reach quickly. It is example of secondary succession in forest ecosystem after fire.